Nak rakam gila.
Apa?
Dia ikut.
Dengar. Test.
Saya dengar.
Dia rekam.
Nampak nampak aku buka. Tu tak tahu lah. Tengok macam. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nurdi bin Khairi. My metric numbers is 03 DET 21 F110, and this is my topic, the poultry industry and its supply chain in Malaysia, challenge from the COVID-19 emergency. So, the introduction: since December 2019, the entire world is facing a new enemy which became famous under the name of COVID-19 or coronavirus, which is a short version for coronavirus disease 2019, an infection disease caused by acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. It is the evolution of the well-known type of influenza, for which, however, a vaccine is yet to be found. In order to understand the proportion of the phenomena, comparison with the traditional season flu would not be useless. There are 4 types of seasonal influenza: A, B, C, and D. We have vaccine. Bayar betul lah. Bayar. We have vaccine for this common stand as a different. Let's keep into account that for the 2018 until 2019 seasonal flu, almost 170 million vaccine shots were distributed in the USA alone. Although the mass usage of vaccine, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) estimates that since 2010, between 9 and 45 million Americans got infected every year, while the death peak was reached in 2018. 61,000. Okay, we're going to next chart. Case recovery and deaths in the world and in South Asia. So as we can see, the green light was the case, and the dark green light is dead, and recovered case is a yellow, and active case is the orange one. So as you can see, Singapore is the large one among the others, especially the Indonesia, Philippines, and Malaysia. So Singapore, in the case, we got a total for 9,000. For Indonesian, about 7,000. Philippines, under the 7,000, and Malaysia in between the 5 to 6,000. Let's go. So we're going to the next. Relative size of COVID-19 in Southeast Asia when compared to the world. So we got 4 series. The green line is one series. Series 1, dark green is a series 2, yellow is a series 3, and orange is series 4. Sure. So in Singapore, the orange one is the largest series between the series 1 until series 3. The orange one is at the 0.49%. You can see, and in this case, we're going to talk about the Malaysia. The Malaysia series, at the top of it is a series 3 between the 1, 2, and 4. So it means that the series 3 is the largest of the among the 3, among the 4. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, madam.